Hello po, ito po si Ador Bordalio. Ang hindi mapakali, hindi mapakali. Dito po ako para ibalita sa inyo na lumabas na po yung second single ko sa taon na ito. Yan, nabubulol. Ang title po ay Proper Time. Mapapakinggan nyo na po sa lahat ng music platform like Pandora, iTunes, YouTube Music, Diesel, Spotify. Ang title po ay Proper Time. At thank po sa inyo to ng acoustic. Walang harmonica eh. Pero pag pinakinggan nyo po to sa mga music platform, may harmonica po yun. Okay po. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody loves the money. Can we really live without it? If we work hard and still so tight, money's always not enough. You really have to spend it right. Like the heart that beats when you're in love, we have to take care of the one we love. And in case things don't work so well, there's another sunny day. We've got to learn from everything. Just think of that. If it's not for you, everything is gonna be alright. A true love is just around. Money can't be earned, and if it comes, it's gonna be right. You have to be cool and bright, and always thank the Lord for that. Just think of that. If it's not for you, everything is gonna be alright. Just think of that. If it's not for you, everything is gonna be alright. Just think of that. If it's not for you, everything is gonna be alright. You can have that money, you can have your honey, you can have that money, you can have your honey, yeah, yeah. Yun po. Sana po supportan nyo po ang musical journey ko na noon pa nagjo-journey na. At inahandok ko sa inyo ang kantang nito. Share ko lang ng music ko at ang message ko. Salamat po.